So after all that to do, why should we focus on Bootstrap? Well, there's a couple of really fantastic reasons here, and I believe in bang for your buck. And Bootstrap is one of the greatest bang for your buck I can give you in the way of web development moving forward. So, with the Bootstrap framework, it has grown tremendously in popularity over the last several years. Part of the reason for that is because of the integration that we actually see with Bootstrap. We'll talk about a little bit of the components here of Bootstrap in a subsequent video, but I'll mention it here as part of the reason why it's so popular. Is when you download Bootstrap, you get JavaScript components along with it, and that core package is actually changing all of the time. So the JavaScript that comes with it is part of a framework called Angular, and that's something you'll see with like Facebook and Instagram and things like that. And it makes rapid deployment of front-end systems super duper easy. The front end, again, is just what your unknown potential future client might see. So a lot of the development platforms have actually adopted Bootstrap as part of their platform. So Dreamweaver, for example, uses Bootstrap as part of its framework. It uses the 12-column grid system and Bootstrap and JavaScript in the background. Some of you, I know Ari, you do, or you did, use Adobe's Magento, which is an open source content management platform that uses Bootstrap as the back end. For any of you who have ever done any web service hosting or have heard anything about it, Drupal and Drupal. It's Joomla and Drupal. I always put the J on the wrong one. Both of those platforms actually rely as their primary builder on Bootstrap. WordPress relies on Bootstrap for a lot of its themes because as a content management system, WordPress is extensible. We can take it and change it and meet the needs of different clients. And actually one of the fastest, easiest, best ways to do that is with Bootstrap. So here in Web 102 as part of a survey course. So a survey course is where you get a little bit of this, 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 and we can build you a really fantastic net of experiences, right? With Bootstrap, what I am 100% confident is that as you get deployed to, a web front end position someplace down the line, I can tell you almost without fail that you are going to use Bootstrap, or you are going to use something that uses Bootstrap in order to get that content publishing completed. So the bang for your buck here is tremendous. And Bootstrap and its use is tremendous. So if you wanted a rationale, if you wanted to know, well, why are we, going through all of these hoops? Because we're going to talk about the installation here in a second as a hoop. Why are we going through all of these hoops for Bootstrap? Because it's a damn fine platform that you are going to see again and again, and it will have a positive and long-standing impact on your career, and that's always good.